to the new mask guidance on the way from the CDC, expected to come as soon as next week as states drop their mandates. Whit Johnson joined us now with more on the battle over masks. Good morning, Whit.
Michael, good morning. The CDC director says she wants to give people a break from wearing masks when the metrics get better. Not just the number of daily COVID infections in this country, but key factors like hospital capacity. That new guidance is coming soon as more states move ahead on their own.
This morning, with indoor mask mandates remaining in just a handful of states, the CDC expected to announce new mask guidance as early as next week.
We must consider hospital capacity as an additional important barometer. Our hospitals need to be able to take care of people with heart attacks and strokes.
10 states are still running low on ICU beds with capacity of 15% or less, despite cases plunging more than 80% since the Omicron peak. The White House insisting it's actively planning for the next phase of the pandemic.
We've been clear that as a country, we're making strong progress toward moving to a time when COVID is no longer a crisis.
California, the latest state to drop its indoor mask mandate, but among at least a dozen states where masks are still required in schools.
I work with young kids, and some of them, they don't have the vaccine yet. So I think it's very important to keep the kids safe.
The policy deeply dividing communities.
This needs to end. When will this end?
In San Francisco, 3 school board members recalled, frustrated parents saying it took them too long to get kids back to in-person learning. The board instead focusing on issues like renaming schools.
They should have been focused on reopening schools like most districts were thinking about.
The mayor addressing the recall election, saying they need to refocus on children.
Our children. They suffered the most, and they're still suffering. And so we have to put aside all personality conflicts.
And new forecast models used by the CDC suggest daily COVID deaths in this country are finally expected to come down. However, those same models also show an estimated 28,000 more Americans could lose their lives to the virus in the next 2 weeks. George.
Okay, Whit, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.